so I made it on out of here at South Carolina Motorplex. We just a track here, local 8th mile to Orangeburg, South Carolina. I'm gonna go ahead and get some test hits in today, see if I can improve on my times, get ready for a bracket race in about 2 weeks. Looks like we got a little over 50 cars out here now, so I'm gonna try and capture some footage of them running. Try and get you some in-car of the truck, as well as some outside views of the truck if I can find somebody else out here I'm familiar with and have them record while I make a pass. And what I'm gonna do here in a little bit is I'm gonna walk around and get you some video and stuff of some of these other vehicles that's out here and let y'all take a look at them and see them run.
I've been driving this train, years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la. La, 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 la. Oh, oh, la, 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 la. 6 a.m. and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la. La, 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 la. Oh, oh, la, 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 la. Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
I'm
nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take it to your hands or plan your own hands. Can land your own brand and down. I feel like no one takes it to the ability. They want the credibility. To go through the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour. Take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder. Work until you're prouder. And fuck all the doubters. They're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
Well, I made it to the track last night and only was able to squeeze in 2 passes just because of all the wrecks and everything. I sat in the staging lanes for like 2 hours just to get that, or sorry, I sat in the staging lane for 7 hours just to get that second pass in there. Just had a bunch of wrecks and someone that leaked trans fluid down the track and stuff like that. So didn't get as many passes in as I'd like. Didn't even get any footage from the outside of the truck while it was going down the track, so that was very unfortunate. But hopefully y'all enjoy the shots I did get and the passes inside the truck with the draggy app overlay. That draggy app was pretty accurate. Each one, it was only like 2 to 3 hundredths off of what I actually ran, so it did pretty good. Trying out new editing software, so let me know how y'all like it and down below. So I appreciate y'all coming out and watching my videos. If you could like, subscribe, and I'm gonna try to get some more content out to you as soon as I can. I just kind of got a lot going on right now and it's hard for editing, making the content, working my full-time job, but I'm gonna do what I can for y'all and get it out to you. So thanks for watching, and hope y'all have a good rest of y'all's day.